Yeah. He's just looking.
Where?
Over there. Oh yeah, the cool cupboard, bro. Damn. How old is it?
180 years.
180 bucks. And only 12k. Damn. Only. Again. 7.9 for this. Damn.
This small. Okay. So this cupboard is 250 years old.
250. Damn. Just look at it. How pretty it is.
The price
Damn.
for it is 17,000.
17,000.
It's not
Damn.
reasonable price.
It is reasonable.
It's
Look
not
at the lock.
reasonable price.
It's very reasonable.
It's not reasonable.
It is
price.
reasonable. The other one.
The other one, right here.
Damn, look at it.
It's
So beautiful.
I have the same thing, and it's
My granny owns one.
Yeah.
How much?
It's older than this one is 5.9k.
Reasonable for this year.
Yeah, for the crack.
What does Sheikh say? It's good.
Nothing.
It's nothing. What do you think about this, Yadu?
This bed.
Yeah, the bed. Check the bed.
Inside bed.
It's nice, yeah.
Check the softness.
Yo, damn.
Hey, no.
I caught it. What do you
Oh,
think
it's
about
soft.
this? It's soft.
Yeah.
It's soft. Hey, yo.
Oh shit. He's heavy as
He's
hell.
heavy. He's heavy.
He's heavy. There's no
It's not steel. It's brass.
brass.
I don't know.
Oi. It's not a lot.
What do you think about this?
How about this? The
Yeah.
sofa.
Yeah. Sit on it. Nice.
It's not cozy at all.
Uh-huh.
It's like a hard, really hard
Really hard.
sofa.
Damn, look at the design, guys. It's
Design is good.
so-
Design is good.
Uh-huh.
But the
But the-
comfort of it is not good at all.
Isn't. Let me sit.
Go on. Sit.
Oh, it's hard. It's hard. It's hard. It's
What
hard.
did I say?
Hey, yo, Sheikh. It's not a book. Damn. Is it vintage too?
Imagine if it was bought by
You can store
Spy.
some weed in it, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
The chandelier is not good at all.
These look fine.
It's not.
What about this? What do you think about this, Sheikh?
I don't know.
You don't know? How much? How old?
200
years
years.
old. How much?
17,000.
17,000 dirhams for this. Reasonable.
No.
Yes.
No. I would say maximum.
Look at the design, bro. It's so cool.
No. I would say maximum for this one.
What?
Right here.
Yeah. How much?
15k or 12k maximum.
Yes. Oh, chairs too. The antique. How old?
200 years.
200 years old. Dude.
Price
Price.
6.3k.
6.3k for these. Reasonable. Yeah.
Might be a little bit reasonable.
A little bit.
I'll say 6k.
What did Sheikh find? Chairs.
Dining table. 18k.
For this.
18k.
Reasonable.
This is just
Reasonable. For real.
No, it's not.
It's not?
Because for the shares. No, not for.
Does
the
it
shares.
include the chairs?
Yes.
Oh, then it's reasonable.
No. Because the chair is
Uh-huh.
not comfort enough. People
Have you sat
want
on it?
comfort. Yes.
Sit on it.
People want comfort. If you sit on this,
Uh-huh.
it's like hard.
Let me sit. Let me sit.
Both sides. In both sides, it's hard. It's fine. It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It's not fine for a big man.
A big man?
Yeah.
You ain't big. You ain't. What is this? A future.
Bro, there's nothing in the back. It's just infinity mirror.
Infinity mirror.
Oh, these are the ones which are there in those huge malls.
Uh-huh.
My mall also is there.
Yes.
Mall is
And
there. It's like a refrigerator.
Okay.
Why are you coming close to
my
my
bad.
face?
Damn. What is
chair.
this?
Modern chairs too.
Hey yo, is this antique? Yes, 120 years old.
Nah, not too old.
Nah, this looks good.
It looks good.
Yeah.
But not like it's a 120-year-old one.
What do you have to say for it?
I'll say it's a maximum like 50 years old or
50.
something. This one maximum 50
We
years
got
old.
Yadu from the Pawn Stars.
Hey,
Yeah.
what do you mean?
Nah,
PAW?
the one from History Channel.
Yeah.
What is Sheikh doing?
Just sitting. He's too tired. He's too fat for it.
Hey yo,
His body can't handle the weight.
Sheikh got his second child on. on the way. Pray for him, guys. My bad.
Why you bullying, bro? Why bully kids?
Why? Look at this Last Supper. No, it ain't the Last Supper, but is that Michael Jackson? That's Michael Jackson. That's Michael Jackson, guys.
Yeah.
And who there? And who's there?
I guess those are other singers.
Yeah. So yeah, dude, what do you have to say?
So
about it?
close.
So close, my bad. Look there. What do we got here?
Great sofa.
Green sofa. Oh, damn. How much is this?
13.5.
13K. 13K.
Wait,
That's
okay.
it. How is it?
Hard in one side.
It's hard?
And,
Okay, and
on the top, it's soft.
it's soft and hard.
It's soft for me.
Let me sit.
Soft.
It's soft.
It's
It's pretty soft, yeah.
It's potta.
He's putting
Little bit. This
Uh-huh.
guy feel everything soft because his cheeks
cheeks.
have a lot.
Ooh, he got cheeks. Run away. Profile. What is this? It's a box. Whoa, dude.
No, that's a speaker.
That's a speaker. Damn.
And it's 8.4K.
Is it?
No.
Let me see. How much?
It's this
Damn, it's 8,000. Let's go.
Yeah, it's
Oh wait, it's
over there.
it's
This
4,000.
one-
It's 4,000. It's 4,000. Damn, for a speaker.
Reasonable.
Reasonable. Very reasonable.
Very reasonable.
Yeah,
Very reasonable.
Now what's next? What's next?
Lobo, 3-seater sofa, 12.5K for this, I
Uh-huh.
would say.
Damn, cheap.
That's cheap for you.
I don't know.
For this.
I don't know.
For this time?
Yeah, I guess. What did Sheikh find? Sheikh, what did he find? Oh, these are the chairs. Don't sit on them.
Years
now.
old,
Yeah, these are the old ones. We with them. What do you think about them, Sheikh?
6,000
Yeah, for one.
for one.
What do you think?
For
Worth? Worth or not?
No. Not worth, Potta.
Not worth. Okay. Talking to his mom.
Father.
Father, my bad. What's bro saying?
Not coming today.
Yeah,
He's not
no
coming
problem. I'll return it.
Oh, yeah,
enjoying now. Don't go. My charge is 1%. That's it.
No, he can use my
We
phone
cannot
to call.
come
He
back.
can
We
use my
cannot
phone to call.
Who was that?
That was my mom calling
Oh,
me
my
from my
bad.
work.
This
Yeah.
is me editing.
Yes, he's editing with his MacBook Pro Max Ultra Wide, 365 inches. Chinese.
Oh my god. Never mind. This is a dummy laptop.
Hey, don't break it though.
And it's so plastic.
It's plastic. Ching chong, ching chong, ching chong.
None of these buttons are working.
Of course they
But,
won't.
but,
But,
I say,
but,
yeah, but, it,
but.
it looks realistic.
Uh-huh.
It looks realistic
Uh-huh.
from far.
Okay.
So you can say that
It's nice.
it's nice.
It's nice. Will you buy it?
Yeah. No. If it's
No, the
dummy-
chair. Will you buy the chair?
Yeah, the chair. Yes, because it's cozy and it's
Uh-huh.
it's right.
I see. Yeah.
But what's price?
What's the price? What's the price of the chair?
What's the price?
What's the price?
Here.
How much?
3.5K.
3.5K.
Reasonable.
It's reasonable. It's reasonable,
For
guys.
this.
What's Sheikh doing?
Because it can turn.
Sheikh's on his phone again. Sheikh's on his phone.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. And we are done here. Even Sheikh is done here. Yeah. Sheikh, say bye. Bye to your fans.
Bye.
Bye bye. Yeah, let's go. Bye.